just few months before, I had a very strange, strong experience. I wanted to share with you all. From that, I can tell you exactly what is going to happen. One day morning, I was trying to jog, run, do some exercise in treadmill. Usually when I am in the ashram, I try to walk early morning. If I am not able to come out due to some program, if too much of crowd in the ashram, I try to do little running in the treadmill, because I cannot do any yoga. If I do yoga, body falls into samadhi. So I can only do something which I can hold on to some structure. So I was doing little running. Usually when I move my body in particular postures, if the body sets in particular postures, or if the breathing gets activated and falls in particular rhythm, body falls into samadhi. Falls into samadhi means just goes out of my control. Kind of I'll feel being inside a big balloon. But I was shocked and surprised. My body is constantly falling into samadhi when I was trying to jog, but things are not out of my control. Please understand. I was jogging, means the breathing naturally gets altered, and body is falling into samadhi continuously. I counted within 60 seconds, 42 times body was kicked into samadhi. Almost like every alternative second. But the funny thing is, it is not getting imbalanced. I was completely balanced. I got so much of confidence. I thought, oh God, body has really settled very well. The physical body is nicely matched, settled with the samadhi state of consciousness. Then I tried little risky things like a yogasana, bending the body and doing some trigonasana. Trigonasana puts your whole kundalini in one line, the kundalini energy in one line. Trigonasana and few Surya Namaskar. I was shocked. Body gets kicked into samadhi, but I am not imbalanced. First time this kind of experience, because whenever my body falls into samadhi, I'll get imbalanced. But body is falling into samadhi, but I am not getting imbalanced. I started contemplating, how come? Why? When I meditated, one important truth was revealed inside me. I realized, see, the center of the earth, globe center, which is the center of the whole rotation, centrifugal force. See, the earth is continuously rotating, constantly. Because of its centrifugal force only, the gravitation is created. And the earth is the center of the earth is constantly attracting everything towards it. I realized the center of the earth is slowly losing its power to pull the things towards its center. Means the gravitation is reducing, the power of gravity is reducing. Please understand. By nature, your weight is getting reduced maybe 0.001 milligram. Physically you will not experience it. Now, physically it may not be big for you, but one important thing you need to understand, it will have a huge psychological effect, because even your thoughts have mass. If the gravitation power in a subtle way, if it starts reducing, your body can move with less thoughts, more actions. Please understand. Your body can experience a space of less thought, more actions.